Prime Minister Andrew Holness is urging the United States to assist the region in making it less vulnerable to global supply disruptions and the effects of climate change.
The Americas have access to an abundance of agricultural supplies, as well as renewable and other energy sources. We need greater intra-regional technical cooperation, trade, and finance to harness these resources. Access to climate finance remains a critical priority. The hemisphere has entered another hurricane season, a stark reminder of what could lie ahead for the next 6 months. For countries like Jamaica, which are disproportionately affected by the impacts of climate change, global emissions must be capped to net zero. Adaptation and mitigation solutions must be implemented.
Mr. Holness was speaking during the 9th Summit of the Americas in Los Angeles under the theme, Building a Sustainable, Resilient and Equitable Future. He notes that access to financing for small and vulnerable economies, especially highly indebted middle-income countries, must be a priority towards recovery. Mr. Holness shared his views on human capital and skills development.
Several countries in the region, like Jamaica, face a skills gap which could become a binding constraint on our growth horizon. The region needs a thoughtful and coordinated approach in facilitating massive investments in human capital development, while at the same time pursuing nearshore policies to bring jobs to workers in their home countries.
The Prime Minister expressed his disappointment that the summit did not include all countries of the Americas, but reaffirmed Jamaica's commitment to the process.
The action plans on democratic governance, digital transformation, our green future, equitable, sustainable, and renewable energy and health resilience should be predicated on the participation of the entire region, while reaffirming our democratic principles. Excellencies, as we strive to increase resilience, improve accountability, and ensure better opportunities for growth and prosperity, Jamaica remains committed to the summit process. We will continue to work with all hemispheric partners so that our deliberations here in Los Angeles will make a difference.